gas pain relief for dogs. So here's some things that will actually help you to alleviate your dog's gas pain. The first thing is massage. So a circular motion with a flat palm here, and basically just massage their actual area, their stomach of discomfort. You can give them a nice bath. Make sure that you're always constantly doing a probiotic for your dogs, because again, your probiotics are just basically good bacteria that are helping them to digest different things. Now, the American Kennel Association does say that you should probably try to put pumpkin. They say about 1 to 4 tablespoons of cooked and or raw pumpkin into their diet, and that'll help to kind of get everything moving. Make sure that your dogs are very active too. And if you have dogs that also have a very finicky stomach, don't forget NoMo Nausea Dog. It's great for dogs who have car sickness, who get into like upset tummy whenever you change their dietary restrictions, medications, and for dogs that have chemotherapy and cancer. So again, check it out, NoMo Nausea Dog. You can find it right here on TikTok, but more importantly, just stay active, because these are the best ways to alleviate gas pain for your dog.